Hello guys, welcome back on my channel, ladies and gentlemen. And if today happens to be the first time for you to come across my channel, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like. You can also share this video. You can also share what you think. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial advice. I'm just here showing you ways how I am making money online, especially in the financial market. So ladies and gentlemen, today I want to show you a simple strategy. Right? I want to show you a simple strategy how you can get some entries in the market, how you can read market structure, and how you can get the work done, ladies and gentlemen. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just showing you ways how, because some people will think I'm a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just happy to just show you how I am doing it here. Of course, we do understand that the market doesn't move in a straight line, right? The market doesn't move in a straight line. It goes up and comes down, goes up and comes down. And ladies and gentlemen, the best way for you to get those reversals in the market is by using what they call the Fibonacci, right? Using what they call the Fibonacci. So guys, let's see here. Let me camera this side. Okay. So guys, we are going to look at this is the higher time frame. This is the higher time frame. For example, if we got the daily, let's look at the daily. The market is bearish, ladies and gentlemen. It is breaking structures, even though it is at a very strong support right now. This one is a very strong support, showing that anytime it might want to shoot out. So it has to break this level. It has to break this level for it to go down. It has to break this level for it to continue moving down. So ladies and gentlemen, it has to break this level for it to continue moving down. So, but today I didn't come to talk about that. Today I just want to show you a simple way how you can get entries into the market. And ladies and gentlemen, to make it simple for you, I have searched for two indicators. And the first one, it is called the auto fib retracement, right? Because we know the market doesn't move in a straight line. So you are going to go to your indicators here. And you're going to check for auto fib retracement, right? Auto fib retracement. So that is what you're going to look for. And you see, whenever we have a reversal in the market, this indicator is going to show you when the market is supposed to reverse, right? When the market is supposed to reverse. Of course, it's going to look for change in character. Whenever there's a change in character, or whenever the market changes what direction, it's going to show you that we are expecting a reversal at this point. And of course, you need to understand also, you need to have an understanding of how the fib works. Of course, we are looking at the golden zone, right? We are looking at the golden zone, which is the 50 or the 0.5 and the 6 and 0.168. Of course, the golden zone, that is what we're looking for. Of course, you saw that here it broke structure here, it came back and retraced, and now it's moving down. Of course, this is on the daily time frame. But when we go on the lower time frame, of course, the same thing is happening again and again and again. Ladies and gentlemen, you just have to understand how this works, and trust me, you are going to get it right. You saw here the market came, okay, it like cleared these buyers here, came back, it broke structure to the downside. Now we are waiting for it to come back at the golden zone, which is the 50% or the 61.8%, ladies and gentlemen. Just as simple as that. But to make your entry more precise, what you need to do, you're going to look for another indicator, which is called the fib retracement indicator, which is let me look at it here. Okay, this one here, it is called the FVG, the fair value gap or inverse fair value gap, by nephew Sam, ladies and gentlemen, by nephew Sam. You also, when you put it, you see that now the fair value gaps are already there, and you see where we are expecting for the market to reverse. There is a fair value gap, meaning that around this zone, which happens to be the golden zone, ladies and gentlemen, we have a fair value gap. So we have more chances of the market reversing at this point, and then we can consider this place as a place where we can take our entry to the downside. You just have to be patient. You wait for it to come back. Don't rush, ladies and gentlemen. The market only is going to reward you when you wait. The market is only going to reward those that are patient, ladies and gentlemen. The market will reward those that are patient. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening there. Are we expecting a reversal? Yes, of course. Of course, you see now, this is our golden zone, even though it has not tapped into our golden zone, which is the 50% to 61.8%. But ladies and gentlemen, even before that, there is a fair value gap right there. So we are waiting here on the 1 hour for it to come and tap here into our golden zone on the 1 hour, and then we expect a push to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. We expect a push to the upside. You see how this is just very, very easy, because the market does not move in a straight line, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and this could work best for you if you are going to use the higher time frame, because the higher time frame is king, right? The higher time frame is king. You just need to know what you're doing, and ladies and gentlemen, you will get it right, because I do understand that you will get it right. Yeah, it is very simple. Just go and look for your fib retracement, auto fib retracement, and also use also your fair value gaps. Give it a try, okay? Give it a try. Simple strategy. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just here showing you ways how I am making money in the market, how I am making but guys, it's not financial advice. And if you like this video, let me know what you think. And also, guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe on this channel. Yes, I'm not selling you anything. I'm just showing you guys. I'm just showing you some of the ways that I'm also cashing out from the market, how I'm milking the market, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. God bless you. Peace. We meet in our next video.